basically our project looks like this. Coming to the description of the parts, this one is a GPS receiver which helps us to give location of the user. This one is SIM 900A GSM module which helps in sending SMS to the user. This is an Arduino Uno which acts as microprocessor. This is an LCD display. If we zoom in closely, you can see some text displaying over here, which helps user to check the inputs. This is an accelerometer sensor which detects an change of orientation in the user's device. This is an vibration sensor which detects an internal vibrations when an external force is acted upon it. And last but not least, this one is a potentiometer which helps to increase or decrease LCD contrast. Coming to the code of the project, this is our code. When we dump this code into the Arduino, yeah, it's done uploading. Let us see the results. Now when we open serial monitor, it displays like this testing accelerometer. It takes a base value of the initial accelerometer position, and these are the change in values of the accelerometer. When we rotate the accelerometer towards any side, we observe there is a text displayed over here which indicates that an SMS is sent to the user. We will receive a SMS containing text message of Google Maps link. This is one scenario where the orientation changes detected in the user device. Coming to the other case, this is a vibration sensor. When we see we can see that text displayed over here which concludes that an SMS is sent to the user mobile or an emergency service which may help the patient to be sent to the hospital and saving his life as soon as possible. This is a message format in which user receives a message when an accident is detected. If you can see here, there is a link displayed over here. If we tap on that link, it will redirect us to our current location, as the operating device is currently at my position. We can see clearly that it displays an approximate location which is near to our current location.